We have created some components for the quiz app layout, and now we will see a very important topic, that is the naming conventions. If we read some books, we can see that naming conventions are very important. Clean Code by Bob Martin is a very important book in programming and tell us about many topics for improve our code, and one of them is the use of naming conventions. What I can tell you is that, for example, in Android and in many programming frameworks, we should give better, or at least descriptive names for the components of the layout, for example, or for variables in the case of the program itself. Now, in this case, we have a title, and we just see that the default name is TextView2. If we see this code in the future as developers, we want to understand at first glance what this TextView refers or is referring to. So, what about if other developers see this code? He or she won't understand what this is referring to. So what we should do is at first decide which is the aim of this component in order to give it a useful name or a descriptive name. This will be the text view for the application title. So maybe we can decide to give this ID of the text view the name title. But what if our application in the future has another screen with another title? That would be a problem, and maybe we start naming a lot of IDs or components, title 1, title 2, etc. The application should consider at first all the screens in the design of the application, but we must consider that applications nowadays have updates and are modified along the time. So we should name this better, or find another more descriptive name. So what about if this is the application title? We should use application title. And in Android, it's useful to also tell the other person that is viewing the code, or if we are developing alone, we could use it is recommended to use the type of component in order to recognize it better a long time. So application title text view is a very good name for this component. Just try to find other examples in order to practice this, and try to keep good names in order to have a good code base and be tidy in your development, in order to create better apps. And the main aim of this practice is to improve performance and efficiency.